Okay, here's another idea for a card at any number, all right? The magician would start out shuffling the pack. You can shuffle the cards however you prefer, Hindu shuffle, overhand shuffle, doesn't matter. In fact, you'll have a spectator help you and say, here, you take half the cards, you shuffle your cards. So the spectator's going to start shuffling their cards. However they want to shuffle them, they can give those cards a mix, and then you're going to shuffle your own cards. So spectator shuffling, magician shuffling, cards are getting mixed up, okay, however you want to mix them. As they finish up shuffling, and again, this could be any kind of shuffle here, it could be a riffle shuffle or whatever, you're going to then take the cards and we're going to shuffle everything together, okay? Your half into my half. We'll give these a mix, this, and we'll give everything a cut. At that point, the cards will go back into the card box for the time being. We'll just let them sit over here, okay? Now, imagine, if you will, that you go into a casino, okay? And the first place you go is to the roulette wheel. Now, you're going to put down a wager on a number, and at roulette, you can have any number from 0 to 36. So technically, there's 37 numbers. We don't have a spectator here to name a number, so we're going to just roll these dice. So if we roll the dice, we've got 4 and 2 is 6, and 3 is 9, plus 6 is 15, and 2 is 17. Okay, so we have a completely random number. We have a shuffled pack of cards. Imagine that on the roulette wheel, the ball stopped on number 17, and it was a hit for you, and you won $2,000. So you're excited. You then go over to the blackjack table. When you get to the blackjack table, the only person there is the blackjack dealer, the pack of cards, and there's no one else. It's just you and him. So imagine, if you will, that the dealer reaches over and he takes out half the cards. Which half does he take out, the reds or the blacks? Now, to make choices for the spectator, I'm going to shuffle these cards, and we'll just get some random cards. So the first one that pops up is red. So imagine he takes out the red cards. So left in the box are just the clubs and the spades. He's going to take out the clubs and the spades. He's going to divide them into 2 packets, and he's going to toss one down onto the table. Which one does he toss onto the table? The spectator says clubs. So left in his hands, then, he's just got the spades. Now we've got low spades and we've got high spades. Let's call the high spades the 10, Jack, Queen, and King, and then the low ones will be the number cards, like 9 and lower. We need to eliminate some. So which do you want to eliminate first, the low cards or the high cards? And here we've got a low. So let's say they say low cards. So we're going to eliminate the low cards, everything that's 9 and below. We've got the 10, the Jack, the Queen, and the King. Okay, imagine I mix those cards up and I turn 2 of those face down. Which 2 did I turn face down? And let's say that they say the 10 goes face down, and get another random one here, the King. The 10 and the King go face down. I'm going to mix those up. We can't see them. We don't know which is which, and I'm going to hand you one. Which one did I hand to you? And then whichever card comes up next is the King. I handed you the King. I'm left holding the 10. Would you like to switch cards, or do you want to stay? Let's say they say, oh, we'll stay. Okay, so you've left me with one card using the power of your imagination. From a pack of 52 cards, you've now got it down to just one card. The 10 of spades is the one card I'm holding. You rolled a random number and you hit 17. You helped me shuffle the pack and we boxed it, shuffled it together. Okay? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to take 17 cards off the top of the deck. Using your imagination here, I'm just going to lift and remove 17 cards off the pack. I'm going to put the 10 of spades in there, and I'm going to put the 17 cards on top of the 10 of spades. Okay? You rolled a 17. You selected the 10 of spades. Shuffle deck. That's all completely in your imagination. It doesn't become reality until we open the box. When the box opens, the countdown begins. We had 17 cards on top of the 10 of spades. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cards that we dealt on top of the 10 of spades. That is any card at any number. This is my variation of Dennis Behr's shuffled ACAAN. And of course it's using John Kerry's presentation from Night at the Casino, with some Colin McLeod equivoque there from his trick ACAAN, which was on one of his DVDs. But there you go, that's the trick, guys. Hope you liked it. Another variation of ACAAN. Take care.